you install Bhagavatam in the homes of people, because Bhagavatam is non-different from Krishna. In Burma, there is one temple where there is no deity, only Bhagavatam set is kept, and it is worshipped every day. So Bhagavatam is worshipable. In anybody's home, if you have a Bhagavatam set, the Bhagavatam will glow and bring prosperity and happiness to all the members of the family. Even if you just keep it. If you read it, you'll go back to Godhead. You read the Bhagavatam. If some senior devotees go and put up a program in the house of devotees and distribute Bhagavatam sets, then people who attend the program, they raise their hand and say, please come to our home also. And then in this way, Bhagavatam sets go in a very, very big number. So I not only want to sit here and give lectures to people, but I want to go and personally distribute and reach out. Because carrying books of Prabhupada means carrying Samit sticks for the Guru, like the Vedic Guru class student. Like this Vaisheshika Prabhu said, and it was very pleasing to hear this, because there is a one-to-one corresponding analogy between the Vedic student and the modern day students. Because in spirit we all are like Vedic students only. Because our spiritual life has taken such a big shape by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada's books. Srila Prabhupada ki